3, 2, 1. Hey. Hey, what's up? Rugby. This one's for Rugby because he rocks, and I'm he likes to burp.
Okay.
This is the best song right here. Not that one.
Super strong, and I know the difference between right and wrong. Season everything. Unless it's made of red, with the light is the only thing that I get. I think we're all
Hey, Rugby. This burp's for you.
just about every day. Fortune just sent me and I wouldn't wait, and I never guessed. But man, it's just
Twilight theme song. How about this one? This will be funny. If it ever plays.
I have sharp fangs, I'm pale and cold, I don't seem 17.
Restart. Now.
I have sharp fangs, I'm pale and cold, I don't seem 17 years old. I'm super fast and super strong. You think I'm normal, you'd be wrong. The only way you'd guess it right is if I glitter in the sunlight.
That was dumb. Here's the theme song for Lost. Three, 2, 1. Uh-oh. He's lost. Fuck that. What other songs? That's Lost. Twilight. New theme song, Trees. Yeah.
I must have crashed last night.
Okay, that's dumb. That is so dumb. Anyways, Shout out to rugby. Woo. Oh. I'm just gonna play this one now. Oh god. No count out match. Okay. Anywho. This one looks like it has the lyrics. Save me, Remy Zero. Lyrics. Smallville theme, aka Superman. Oh, you fucking... That was a good beer, man. Fuck. Oh yeah, motherfucker. What's this one? Smallville theme song to Titanium Titan. Ooh, there you go, rugby. Smallville theme song, Titanium, Titantron. That's wrestling, isn't it? Titantron. Let's see. The super future. It's got to be the best part of the final episode of Smallville is the super future. Just listen. If it will work, I need another beer. Only have 3 left of these. Everybody out there, by the time this video is over, the video will be over. So cheers. Rugby. You like the burps, so I'm going to try to give them to you whenever possible. To the other guy that comments a lot, I ain't gonna show my belly because that's just gross. Some people might like that, but yeah, I drink a lot, I guess, but I need to start working out so I can get rid of some of that, because nobody wants somebody with a big belly. Okay. So here we go. Oh man, they're a fucking piece of shit. Just kinda wanna watch it on full screen, it stops.
Did you get it?
There we go.
Thought you might need something blue.
I did, just in time. Thanks, cuz. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Oh, bad idea. Very, very bad idea.
How many great Caesar's roast?
4. The 4 is coffee. Did you get my shots?
Love the framing, love the colors. Where's the drama?
Did you see the one with the elephant?
The Man of Steel deserves better than a circus incident on a fender bender. I want pecs. I want cake. I want pearly lights.
Yes, Miss White.
You brother like big shoes for you to fill, Olsen. I know you're up to the task.
Hey, you're out there. Stories don't write themselves, Lane. Great season. Go. Will be giving a speech this evening on his new economic recovery plan.
Sorry, Miss Lane. Let me just,
Cannon Cook. That was my media attention.
Yes, Miss Lane.
So hard. But listen, this is serious. Do you have it?
You mean these?
Wait for it. Wait for it. Best part.
I've been ready for 7 years.
Just kidding on the wire.
Tell Perry White. Just came in over the wire. There's a bomb in an elevator uptown.
So, Minister, I'll give you a few minutes left. So, Minister, I'll give you a few.
This is the best
Just came in
part.
over the wire. There's a bomb in an elevator uptown.
So, Minister, I'll give you a few minutes left.
This is serious. Do you have it?
You mean these?
You ready?
Are you ready?
I've been ready
I've been ready for 7 years.
Somebody tell Perry White. Just came in over the wire. There's a bomb in an elevator uptown.
So, Minister, I'll give you a few minutes left.